So let's go inside. Idiot. Hey Explorers, Candid Explorer here, and I'm here for a travel unboxing video. A company reached out to me about a new product they have just listed on Amazon, and they wanted me to try out the product. So this is a sponsored video, and I'm here to unbox it, show you what's inside the box, and then I'm going to actually use it in travel because it is a clean trip kit. It is a PPE kit for travel. So let's go inside. But before we open this box, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and a notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified when all my videos are released. Videos are released on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And on my channel, I talk about all things travel, photography, and some about the environment. It's free, so please go ahead and support me and my channel so I can keep providing different types of content for you. Now let's get into opening this PPE kit for travel. So let's go ahead and open it up. So obviously this was ordered through Amazon, well, shipped from Amazon. And the reason why it was shipped from Amazon, they sent me a rebate for the product because that's the only place they're actually selling this is on Amazon. So let's go inside. And I have Prime, so it came in 2 days and it came in this nice secure packaging, and I will recycle that. And here is the outside of the box. So let's go inside. Already on the outside of the box, first of all, this packaging is amazing. It's really nice and sleek and nothing's wrong with it. It's not damaged. And it already says what's inside. It is a clean trip kit, travel well and travel smart. And when they reached out to me about this, I was like, yes, because I am always taking me some PPE, but with a whole package of PPE already prepared for me for my travels, excellent. So it says it comes with 1 bag, 16 gloves, 4 tray table covers, 4 headrest covers, 4 3-ply masks, 1 hand sanitizer, 1 spray pen sanitizer, and 15 antibacterial wipes. It says, this is what it says on the inside of the box right here. For me, if I travel solo for each of these, this is 4 different trips right here. 4 different, I guess, flights, you would say. But if I'm traveling with someone else, then it could just be me and the other person. It could be 2 flights. So it's definitely really great to have this. So let's open it up. It is taped here on the back, and it looks like it has some information here on the back, and it says, we've got you covered. And we definitely need to be covered in these days of, health situations. And it says, your health while on the go is our specialty. That's why we created the Clean Trip Kit, a carefully designed travel kit with all of your safety essentials in one place. Each premium quality product is made to fit perfectly in your hand luggage, so you can confidently travel safely, even when space is tight. Whether you're on the go for work or leisure, venturing far from home, or just a few miles away, the Clean Trip Kit has everything you need to stay healthy. So let's go inside. All right, now that we have opened it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. And so let's go through each of the items that's in this box. This is the hand sanitizer and the pen spray sanitizer. And I'm not sure what this is on the inside, so we'll get to that in a minute. Here is the antibacterial wet wipes. They have information of what's inside of here and a little contest note. And then also here is the bag that they spoke about. So let's unpackage each of these. Let's start with the bag. You take the bag out of the packaging. How cute is that? Really handy, really small for travel. All right, and then if we unzip it, inside of here is the mask. You definitely need these. And also the disposable gloves. Let's go inside because the disposable gloves looks like they're in really small. Oh, okay. So they have these packaged individually for each flight for each person for the flight. And so inside of this package, you have the one mask, you have 4 gloves inside of here. And I don't know if there's anything else inside of this package. I don't really like touching things. Oh, it looks like a tray covers inside of here as well as the seat cover. So they packaged everything in one little bundle. Oh, it says it on the front right here. So on the front it says 1 headrest cover, 1 3-ply mask, 4 pairs of non-latex gloves, and 1 tray table cover is inside of here, nicely packaged, already ready to put. Like, what? Like, this is so convenient. I can put this in my little pocket, my purse, and just pull it right on out and get ready to go when I board my flight, and I don't have to, worry about searching around for each of the pieces. And I like how I'm interested to see how these gloves come out. I guess disposable gloves can be packaged really tightly. So here is what is inside. And then here is the wipes, the antibacterial wipes. It says it's 15 pieces, and this looks really generic on the front. I'm not gonna open it because when you start opening these little packages, the moisture starts to leave. So too bad it's not packaged individually for each of these, so each person would have some, but it is what it is. So there's more tray covers in here. So there's tray covers with each of the little bundles, the travel bundles, and it looks like there's some extras in here as well. That is what is inside the Clean Trip kit. And next you're gonna actually see me take one of these bundles and my sanitizing supplies and get on the plane with my pouch. Like, come on with this pouch, like, stay ready. And you can always refill this. I wonder if they have refills. I need to check that out. So you don't have to buy a whole new pouch. I wouldn't want a new pouch. But let's head to the airport. I'll see you there. Let's go. I'm currently boarding my Air Europa flight from JFK, New York City to Madrid, Spain. And I am using the Clean Trip kit. It was a night flight, so it's obviously dark in here, even though the lights were on the plane. But I did wipe my seat down, my area down, everything that I would touch, I wiped it down. And I also was able to use the tray cover when it was time for eating. And you'll see that I hooked the pouch here on the back of the seat, but it was definitely not staying in place throughout the flight. Okay, Explorer, so I'm back from my trip to Spain, and I used the Clean Trip kit as you saw on the plane on Air Europa Airlines. So what are my thoughts about this product? I really do enjoy this product and how it has everything in this pouch, and you don't have to worry about finding it anywhere else. I do like it has a strap here. This is the way I ended up carrying it. It took me a little while to get comfortable of carrying this because I'm used to having things in like different pockets or whatever. So that was just a training thing for me. But I didn't realize until the trip was over that there was a hook at the end where I could have easily hooked this on my bag. Idiot. But that was a mistake. And I didn't realize there was a little pouch here where I could have stuck some little additional things that I needed for like in-flight purposes. But that was just user error, of course. But then I mentioned how I thought this was cool that it had this hook. But then when I got on the plane, the planes that I was on didn't really have a good place to hook this. There wasn't any hook or anything like that. So it would have been nice if there was like a way to like maybe Velcro this on or have like some type of clamp to clamp it onto the seat back pocket. That would have been better than having a hook on the back. So that was kind of like, it was a good idea until it wasn't. And I also did not use the seat covers, which I really wanted to use because the TV monitors on the planes were really high up. And I was like, I don't know if my seat cover was going to block it or not. And it was like so much movement going on. So I just didn't want to risk trying that and someone getting mad or whatever. So I have to try that another time. But I did have the wipes, so I did still wipe down the headrest area that I was going to touch anyway. So I still had some protection from that. But everything else was wonderful. The tray cover was wonderful. Having masks was wonderful. Where I, had my pouch ready to go. I didn't use the gloves that was in the pouch provided because I had like hand sanitizer in there. And it's just so much. Like, I feel like once you do something, like if you go to the bathroom, you should like dispose of your gloves. You shouldn't like keep putting them on, taking them off, whatever. But so I didn't use those. So yeah, and it was just a nice little place to store things. Like the airline gave wipes as well, which I never used, so I stuck them in here. And as you can see, I used plenty of these. But it was a great pouch. I didn't use all the things in there, like I said, but it was really purposeful, and I still have materials left to use again on a future flight. Now, I do wonder if they do have refills that you can buy, and that's something I would have to look at online. And if I do find that they have refills, I'll pop it up on the side. If not, I won't pop it up on the side, okay? But this is definitely worth buying because, we are in a times where there's all these variants, there's all these health scares, and these people are just nasty, so it's nice to have your own space clean with this Clean Shirt Kit. So that is what I think of it. I definitely think it's worth the purchase. I just hope that they have refills for it because I wouldn't want to buy a whole pouch all over again because I have a pouch that's in good condition. And I do have a link down below to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing this for yourself or someone that you know that travels who will really appreciate this. And it is an affiliate link. When you click on the affiliate link, I may receive commission on it with no additional cost to you, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.